gratitude from the core part of my heart to the pillar of this esteemed, renowned institution, none other than our respected principal sir. At the same point of time, all the respected teachers of this institution for giving me this golden opportunity to share some of my words on this special occasion on behalf of all the B.Ed trainees, CTE Kumarghat, Unapudi Tripura, and at the same point of time, a warm welcome to all the little hearts over here. Feeling very privileged to be a part of this golden occasion. You know, every one of us know very well that today we have gathered here in order to celebrate the Children's Day. You know, this is the special day that reminds of the joy, hope, the better future that every one of us carries within ourselves. And at the same point of time, this is the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of the independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, who believed that the children are the strength, the resources of the nation itself. So it's definitely the responsibility of all the children to go forward in order to make the concept of Chacha Nehru ji complete and to make it a grand success. As the day is very special for you, my all beloved students, so this day will definitely celebrate your strong willpower, your determination to do something big in the future. On this special occasion, I really would like to share. I want to tell you only one thing is that always try to be unstoppable, try to be brave, try to be courageous, because you are the future of the nation. The future of the country India is definitely in the hand of you, and I do believe from my heart that you will definitely make all the impossible possible one day, because the word impossible itself says that I am possible. And at the same point of time, one thing that I should share with all of you, that always remember three things. Be kind always. Why kind? Because kindness makes your personality beautiful. There is a phrase in Sanskrit language that Vidya Dadati Vinayam, Vinaya Dadati Patrata, means education gives you that one, you know, humility, the humbleness, and that humbleness gives you what? The eligibility. The eligibility gives you wealth. The wealth gives you the righteousness, and ultimately the righteousness gives you the happiness. And ultimately we need happiness. We need mental peace. Mentally we should be healthy. Otherwise we can't be able to do anything grand that our nation demands, that our nation needs, that our nation always claims from us. So it's our responsibility. We have fundamental rights. At the same point of time, we also have duties. We can't go away without doing our duties. Okay? Then, why curious? Because if you are not curious, then you will not be able to learn something new, something special. Okay? Learning is a lifetime process. From the first beat of heart to the last beat of heart. From the first drop of blood in the body to the last drop of blood of the body, you should learn something. In every phase, we need to learn. So learning never ends. So be curious all the time. Why be brave? Because in coming days, there will be lots of ups and downs. You know very well that the life is all about ups and downs. Life is like the blank pages of a notebook. It's your responsibility, right, to fill the blank of the notebook as your own choice. It is up to you. So you are the decider. The teachers will guide you, your parents will support you, but the most importantly, the person who will play the important role in shaping your own character is you yourself. So try to build your personality in such a way that people will get motivated, inspired from you. Because never forget that you are the future generation, you are the future of the ultimate nation. Thank you. Many more I have to say, but will not make my, not speech actually, but I'm sharing some words, will not, more longer. Lastly, I just would like to say that I wish all of you laughter, endless learning, and success and a healthy life. And always remember is that one thing is that the sky is the only limit. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening my words. Keep the end.
Thank you, sir, for your speechless speech. Next.